You found the 2 Minute Academy again. Today we're talking about how ancient Greeks basically invented the scientific method and modern mathematics.
And this is the episode where you make me remember high school geometry.
Trust me, this is way more interesting than high school.
Oh, low bar, but I'm listening.
Let's start with Pythagoras, around 570 BCE. You know him from the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
The triangle thing, I do remember that.
But here's what they don't tell you. Pythagoras started a mathematical cult.
Of course he did.
They believed that numbers were sacred. They had strict rules about beans. They wouldn't eat or touch them. Some say it's because beans were used for voting. Others think they caused digestive issues that disturbed their meditation.
So the guy who gave us geometry was defeated by legumes. That's sad.
Mathematics got even wilder with Euclid. Around 300 BCE, he wrote Elements, the geometry textbook used for 2,000 years, second most printed book in history, behind the Bible. Euclid basically said, "Here's how shapes work," and everyone went, "Yeah, okay, that's settled."
Respect.
Now medicine, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, revolutionized healthcare around 400 BCE. He said diseases had natural causes you could observe and treat. Before Hippocrates, if you got sick, people thought you angered Zeus. After him, doctors started examining symptoms, keeping records, looking for patterns.
So he invented evidence-based medicine.
Basically, he also said, "Let food be thy medicine. Diet, exercise, rest."
We've had the answer for 2,400 years, and we're still eating gas station hot dogs and Malamars.
Don't forget Archimedes. He figured out how to measure volume using water displacement while taking a bath. He ran through the streets naked, yelling, "Eureka!"
Naked again. What is it with ancient Greece and no clothes?
He was excited. He also invented the Archimedes screw and designed war machines. The Greeks believed in using reason to understand everything, the cosmos, the human body, how things moved. That shift from mythology to rational inquiry is the foundation of all modern science. The Greeks gave us geometry, the scientific method, medical ethics, and the idea that the universe follows logical rules we can discover.
Not bad for a civilization that was also afraid of beans.
We all have our contradictions. So next time, Greek architecture. We're talking about how three architectural orders, Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian, still show up in government buildings, museums, and banks worldwide.
So you're saying every courthouse with fancy columns is actually copying homework from ancient Greece.
For over 2,000 years straight, we'll show you how to spot the difference.
I'm genuinely excited to sound smart at a museum now. Be sure to follow, like, comment, but share with someone you think needs to be smarter too.